Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Goodness, and if you're new, you are most welcomed. This shampoo will cleanse your scalp, detangle hair thoroughly, soften hair, nourish the scalp without stripping it of its natural nutrients and oil. This shampoo will stimulate the hair follicles to promote hair growth. And guess what? This is an all-natural shampoo with amazing natural hair beneficial ingredients that you can find around you. So let's make an all-natural homemade shampoo that will moisturize, cleanse, and promote hair growth. To make this shampoo, we need African Black Soap. This is the key ingredient. African Black Soap is made from the skin of locally harvested cocoa pod, shea bark, palm and plantain ashes, and sometimes they also use coconut ashes. It is loaded with antioxidants and minerals that are very beneficial to the hair. African Black Soap is an all-natural cleansing soap which can be customized to suit your hair needs. It can be used both on skin and hair as well, but here we are using it for hair. Okay, I begin by shredding my African Black Soap. You can do this with a grater, but I prefer to use my knife. And here I'm trying to get about half cup of black soap. That's about 125 ml. So I've gotten half cup of my African Black Soap and I'm repackaging it to store it for another time. Next is aloe vera. This is also a key ingredient, and when added to the black soap will form a base for this shampoo. Here I'm trying to see how I can soften this aloe vera to bring out more juice. This is optional and not necessary at all. You can skip this. Alright, so I go ahead to cut my aloe vera into small pieces, cut it open and scoop the juice out. Aloe vera is very good for the hair. It calms irritated, itchy scalp, strengthens hair, repairs damaged hair, and also promotes hair growth. Okay, I've gotten the quantity I need, and next I go ahead to blend. This is also optional. You can skip this as well. Next, I go ahead to pour my black soap into a small bowl, just enough to contain the quantity of shampoo I'll be making. So this is my African Black Soap, and here I'm measuring about half cup of aloe vera juice. Next, I go ahead to pour my aloe vera juice into the African Black Soap. The quantity I'm using here is enough for this black soap, but if you want it thicker, the trick here is to reduce the quantity of aloe vera juice you'll be using. But I'm okay. I measured half cup black soap and half cup aloe vera juice. So this is ready. Stir properly and cover and leave it till the next day. I like to leave it overnight or probably for some hours, but here I'm leaving it overnight. So good night, see you in the morning. Okay, this is the following morning and our black soap base is ready. Now it is time to add some ingredients to this base to make it more effective and also to avoid stripping the hair of its natural oils and nutrients. To begin, I stir properly just to make sure there are no crumbs in it, and you can decide to strain, but here I am okay, I'm not straining. Alright, I begin by adding half teaspoon of honey. Honey moisturizes dry hair, softens and restores shine to hair as well. I also added half a teaspoon of hemp seed oil, but apologies as I lost the clip. Okay. Hemp seed oil is high in omega-3, which helps to prevent hair loss. Next, I go ahead to add half teaspoon of unrefined palm kernel oil. Next, I'm adding half teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Palm kernel oil and vegetable glycerin moisturizes hair and softens hair as well. Next, I go in with half a teaspoon of mint oil. Mint oil is anti-inflammatory. It adds freshness to hair with a tingly, minty sensation to the scalp. I just love how I feel after shampooing my hair. Next, I go in with a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Just don't add too much of an essential oil to this. Rosemary essential oil improves circulation and promotes hair growth. Next is vitamin E. Vitamin E is very great for hair. It is high in antioxidant. It helps to improve blood circulation, promote hair growth, and keeps hair follicles healthy. So all of the things we added here, they are very natural and very good for our hair. But the trick here is to customize the ingredients. You can swap any of the ingredients with any ingredient of your choice or according to your hair need. So I go ahead to pour in my shampoo into a bottle like this and label it. This is ready to be used immediately. So I label it to store it properly. And here you have it, our own natural homemade shampoo. Very effective. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you tried this, please leave a comment in the section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much and see you soon in my next video. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button or use the link down below to subscribe. Bye.